You know, the last time I was in the kitchen, we made biscuits, and that naturally just fell into cast iron discussion. I would rather cook with cast iron than anything. I have my great-grandmother Letty's cast iron skillet. It's one of my most valued possessions. I'd give anything to have one from my mom's side of the family. I have two girls. I would love to have two vintage skillets. This is just an everyday. This is Lodge, made in South Pittsburgh, Tennessee, a short hop skip from the town where I grew up. This one is black. That's called seasoned. And I use this almost every day. You'll see it's not perfect. Doesn't matter. It's nice and heavy. Works wonderful over gas. And when I get ready to wash this, you listen to me right now. I do not wash this with soap. I could, I'd have to re-season it. It's a whole thing. I'd be really mad because it's very well seasoned. I get it really, really hot water and a potato scrubber, scrub it clean, sit it on the stove to dry, put it away. It's that simple. But we don't want to use soap on these. It takes off all the nice seasoning, and seasoning's not gross, it's good stuff. It's really good stuff. So you'll see my fajita pan has seen better days. I don't know what happened to it. I don't know who to blame for this, but it's got rust on it, and I've wiped most of the rust. You can see there's still some more off with a paper towel. I did wet it just a little bit on the paper towel. Now, all I'm going to do to fix this, y'all, I've heard of people throwing these away. Do not throw these away. That's nuts. Just take a little oil of any kind. I recommend something like vegetable oil, not something with a low smoke point like olive oil, or you'll make your house stink, but it'll work too. I'm going to put a thin coating of oil all over this baby. Top and bottom, front and back, handle the whole thing. And I'm going to stick this in a low temperature oven until I just feel like turning it off. So for most of the evening. Then I'm going to wipe it. It probably will have maybe a little rust. I'll wipe it, and I may need to do it again. But once I do this once or twice, this will be perfectly seasoned and good to go, just like this one. Just remember, no soap, no soap. But if it happens, just wipe it in oil and you're good to go. There's no need to kill anybody or get a divorce over it. You can always re-season your cast iron. Do not throw this in the recycle bin, or just drop it off to me, I'll take it. But a thin layer of vegetable oil, pop it in the oven, and it will be just like new.